One last tabular method example is this. You can see I typed it onto Wolfram Alpha. I wanted to show you that. It gave you a nice simplified version. When you use the tabular method, it's not going to be simplified, obviously. So I scrolled all the way down. I got an expanded form of the integral. That's probably what we're going to get. So first of all, the reason why you have to figure out if tabular method is going to work in the first place. And one of the parts of the integral must differentiate down to 0. And 3x minus x squared will differentiate down to 0. So let's set up a chart. The part that we're taking the derivative of, and I don't know why I underlined it, and then the part we're going to integrate, and we'll add our pluses and minuses later. Your first derivative, second derivative, third derivative. So we're going to have plus, minus, plus. The integral sign is negative cosine, so negative 1/3 cosine of 3x. Integral cosine is sine, so we're going to have still negative 1/9 sine of 3x. One more time, integral sine is negative cosine, so we're going to have a positive 1/27 cosine 3x. And then we're going to do this and be done with it. So the first one we have is negative 1/3 times 3x minus x squared times cosine of 3x. Then we have minus. Well, it's going to be minus and negative 1/9, so plus 1/9. 3 minus 2x times sine of 3x. And finally, we have plus and negative, so negative 2/27. We're going to run out of room as usual, so minus 2/27 cosine, plus c. That's it. So check on Wolfram alpha, plus c, minus 27, 2/27 cosine of 3x. That's good. Plus 1/9. All right, so here's the Wolfram alpha multiplied the cosine, distributed the cosine of 3x and distributed the sine of 3x. So that's where all this came from. We're going to have 4 more terms. So the expanded form didn't really help that much. Maybe we should simplify and look at it this way, or you can go back to Wolfram alpha to see if there's any other form that looks like this. So one thing you're going to have to worry about then when you're actually taking these quizzes is if you're thinking that you're going to be depending on Wolfram alpha just to give you the answer, that might be tough. So keep that in mind. Ask if you have any questions and have fun.